to explore, but we don't need to. There are 2 cold seasons, right? There are 2 caves and we can go.
One of the
Oh, okay.
So the story of the island was discovered in by a local fisherman in the year 1990s.
Oh, really?
Yes, and then they named it into Tiguatian Island.
Really?
Yes, that
Very
one.
recent, huh?
Yes, so that one is from a small colorful bird.
Oh, I see.
That bird, Tiguatian.
Yeah.
And then, but today, extinct, wala na sila.
Extinct.
In year, like around 2013 ata. So, when a foreign boat bought this island, and then nirehab niya, and then pinalitan niya ng pangalan ng Crucial Boat Island.
But before, what was the name?
Tiguatian Island.
Tiguatian Island.
And then this one, the other one is the Magic Island.
Magic Island.
Yeah, kung gusto nyo nag-cliff jumping like 719 meter.
Oh!
You wanna try, ma'am?
Sure,
Maliit lang yan siya mga isang oras. Pwede mo na yung ikotin ng buong ano yan.
I know, right?
Meron din siya nga lookout or baywatch.
You guys have been there, right?
Yeah, always.
Always. Ayaw nga pala. I forgot kung ano ba. Masaya. You're so lucky, guys. Oh, hell. So lucky. Windy, huh? Windy. Welcoming us.
And also, that island is Carabao Island.
Bakit Carabao?
Maraming Carabao.
Ayun! Carabao Island. Okay.
So, part of po siya ng province of Romblon.
Oh, I see.
After that island is Tablas, and then
Tablas.
another Romblon na siya.
Oh, Romblon already.
Yes.
Ah, I see.
Ikot lang ngayon. Lasing lang. Okay.
This is so cold island. You can
Mga family yung friends ko.
Yeah. Yeah, we will ask them. We will tell them that we had fun here. And we had Herman and Adele, Mario and what's the other guy? Dave, sorry. Who were, helping us or bringing us everywhere, touring us everywhere.
So, video kayo, ma'am.
Yeah. It's so cold. Lots of people are swimming.
Yung mga yan, hindi na sila pumasok sa loob. Kaya,
Oh, I see. Okay.
ligo.
Ah, yeah.
Meron sila mga table dyan, order ka ng mga coconut shake.
How copy? Oo.
So, yung Cove 1 of going over there inside. And Cove 2, makikita nyo yung
Oh, there are 2 coves, honey. 1 cove here and 1 cove there.
Yung hagdanan na yan.
Oh, okay.
So, yung Cove 2, may tunnel siya dadaanan. So, hindi nyo gumapang.
Oh, I think we saw that on YouTube. Remember? Yeah, the second 2 cove. You have to go in the inside.
Yan na yung, that's the Magic Island.
The Magic Island.
That's yung exact beach.
There's magic in that island.
So, dyan sa ilalim din po, meron din siyang buhay pa rin.
Talaga? Pero
Hindi mo
tagusan?
lumangoy.
Tagusan?
Pero hindi mo lumangoy dyan sa ilalim.
Ano yun?
Hindi mo lumangoy sa ilalim.
Talaga? Oo.
Nakapasok ako dyan, parang natakot ako.
Ay, parang chocolate ako doon.
Kasi ikaw lang ang isa yun.
Ay, so right there. So you know it, huh? You can know.